Director General of Police Pynkhlaiñ ulal ja Bishnoi ula ong ba kita Pulit kerang tohkit halor ke jing bi Khubor ya ka jing ïalum biang bat ka jing pynkhlaiñ biang juga seng Garu National Liberation Army kemalami Khubor hani kesengi kibara dep ulang mana kalian kita Pulit kerang wat bah halor ke jing bi Khubor ba kumjuru ya ka jing yo jing tip leng ba kitna rekam ke ba paper ke dan hakatanat Pulit.
Now already I have clarified that was input only, and inputs remain input until it is verified. So we have written to the district for verification. Once the verification report received at our end, then only I will be in position to comment on it.
But sir, is it a concern that such inputs are coming to the police about regrouping of this once upon
So that
time
is why the
address?
inputs have come, inputs have been received from sources, and we always do verification of such inputs. The routine, so many inputs keep coming, and once, as and when any input received, we generally verify it through the field officer, and the same thing is done in that input.
But the inputs are stating that over 500 cadres are being trained
That is
outside.
why I told you input remains input until it is verified. So after verifications only, once the reports are received from all the district, we will be in position to what is the authenticity of this input.
By when is it likely to
So all the district SPs, they are verifying this input in their respective areas, and once verification is complete, they will submit a report to us.
By when is it likely to?
So timeline, though we have not fixed any timeline. It may take time because some interior areas are there. They have to check and cross-check from each and every remote areas. I think within a week probably they will submit it.